In this video tutorial, I will explain the method of changing fonts of headings, paragraphs, buttons, and miscellaneous category in Squarespace. I will also explain in detail the micro font settings. But if you have already changed font through this font pack area, you do not need to perform any font customizations under global text styles. You can watch another video by Dozero for switching font pack. Let's start this video. You can individually select some different font for any of these four text elements. I do not need to define headings, paragraphs, and buttons. But you may wonder that which text components are controlled by this miscellaneous option. Font settings in miscellaneous category apply to quote block, menu block, product prices, excerpt text on blog pages, meta such as author name and date, as well as navigation menu. Please note that all these four text categories have same micro font tweaks except text size options. Let's understand each font setting of paragraphs. Please note that any font customizations here will apply to all paragraphs on all pages of your website. Through Family Tweak, you can select some specific font for paragraphs. Here you can select from more than 1600 web fonts. You can also search some specific font. No CSS tags or font licenses required. Just click on your favorite font to apply it. You can see in preview that Open Sans font is instantly applied to all paragraphs. The font change will also reflect under global text styles in front of paragraphs. Our next week is weight of font. Weight controls the blackness of text. Selection of a specific value for weight makes the text thick or thin. I suggest you select 700 weight for headings and buttons and 400 weight for paragraphs. Some fonts in Squarespace, such as Open Sans, consist of multiple weight options. However, some fonts such as Alpha Slab 1 only provide one weight option. Please remember that each font may require some different value of weight as appropriate. An appropriate weight value also depends on the selected font and script. For example, Google recommends that web designers should not use bold weight options of Noto font for Arabic, Hindi, and Thai scripts. Through Style Tweak, you can select any suitable option for your text. Please note that some fonts in Squarespace provide three options of normal, italic, and bold. But most fonts in Squarespace only provide single option of normal. Of course, you should select normal option for most websites. Please note that you do not need a true italic font for some text on your website. You can simply make some text italic in text toolbar of Squarespace. Because all browsers have the capability to render text in italicized style. Changing the line height value increases or decreases the space between two lines. For most fonts, this value should be 1.6 em. However, it depends on font. For example, for Open Sans font, the default value is 1.8 em. The basic rule is that line height should be inversely proportional to font size. It means if font size is smaller, then line height should be larger. You should ensure a well-balanced line height and letter spacing of text on your Squarespace website to meet readability and accessibility standards of WCAG. Letter spacing tweak controls the space between letters of text. Through text transform tweak, you can capitalize some or all letters of text on your website. My suggestion is that you should select none for normal text of paragraphs and headings, and you should select uppercase for button text. With size tweak, you can control the text size of a specific type of text. For example, paragraph 2 format is selected for this text. Therefore, if I increase or decrease the value from here, you can see on the left that text size also increases or decreases. Please remember to save changes after font customizations. You can watch our next videos for font settings in Squarespace. Hey guys, I'm Irfan Hayat, founder of Dozero. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. You will learn here everything about e-business. That's it for me. Thank you so much for your time.